Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Core Academic Skills for Educators exam 5752? This is a multi-subject exam for elementary education. This problem set covers the subtest 5733, which covers the subtopic of mathematics, numbers, and quantity. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's jump right in. Problem number 1. Arno has $12.73 in his piggy bank. He would like to buy a pack of gum that costs $2.89. How much will he have left after buying the gum? This is subtraction. Let's do the math. $12.73 in Arno's piggy bank. He would like to spend $2.89. The 9 is greater than the 3, so we have to borrow. 13 minus 9 is 4. 8 is larger than 6, so we have to borrow again. That becomes 16 minus 8 is 8, and 11 minus 2 is 9. So the answer is Arno will have $9.84 left in his piggy bank. Problem number 2. A vegetable garden has a tomato plant to carrot plant ratio of 5 to 6. If the garden contains 15 tomato plants, how many carrot plants are present? Write your answer in the box below, so this is not multiple choice. So let's begin with tomato plants, 5 to carrot plants, 6. And we know we have 15 tomato plants. So how many carrot plants are there? We know it takes 5 times 3 to get 15. So in order to find the correct ratio with 15, we simply multiply 6 by 3 as well. We get 18. So there should be 18 carrot plants. And there's your answer. Problem number 3. A medium pizza has 12 slices. If Rudy ate 75% of the pizza, how many slices did Rudy eat? So Rudy ate 75% of 12 slices. There are 2 ways of going about this. So let's begin with 12 times 0.75. So we multiply the total of 12 times the 75% that Rudy ate. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. And we add those up. 0, 10, 9. We've got 2 decimal places here. So the answer we get is 9. Now, the other way of doing it is we know that 75% is equal to 3 over 4. And we need to know what x is out of the 12 pieces. We don't know how many pieces Rudy ate. So we can cross multiply. So 12 times 3 is 36. 4 times what equals 36? We can divide 36 by 4 to figure that out. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So these 2 match, and the answer is 9. Problem number 4. 75% of what number is 60? This is very similar to the previous question, and so we'll jump right in. So 75% of x is equal to 60. So that means 75 over 100 is equal to 60 over x. 100 times 60 is 6,000, and we divide that by 75. 75 into 600 is 8. We bring the 0 up, and we have an answer of 80. Now we can do it another way. We know that 75% is equal to 3/4. And we know that the 75% is the 60. We don't know what that total is. So we can cross multiply here. 4 times 60 is 240. 3 times x equals 240. So we can divide by that by 3. 240 divided by 3 is 80. So you've got the same number, and 80 we can confidently answer is the correct answer. I certainly hope I was able to clarify this subtopic of mathematics, numbers, and quantity so that you now have a better understanding of the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.